Hey guys, thanks for checking out my Octopus review. Yes, this was a new conglomerate of a whole lot of different software and different programs put together, again, to help you, the new person, figure out how to or what is your system to make money. I think that Octopus alone is a great system. There's a couple things that are missing, and I've got together with Jonah Armstrong again, and he's given some bonuses that will absolutely help you. And then I've got my super bonus there at the end. So if you buy through my link, you'll get the super bonus. We'll go into review page here in a second, but let me basically tell you it's 4 softwares in one, and they're basically SPYTube, which goes out through YouTube and finds dead or not used links that have some traction, and it'll help you get those, and then you get those, and then you react to links and you put them to wherever you want them to go. There's several things that are out there like that, but SPYTube's got a new spin on it. Video training. Again, this is a core training program with the software, so you've got a group of training videos that'll walk you through step by step, and if you'll go through each one of those, it'll give you the best opportunity to make money. I see a lot of people that get in, they jump in, they get involved, and what they do basically is they watch a little bit of the first video, they jump down to the one that has the catchy name, they go with that, they go to the bottom, and they wonder why they didn't make any money through the whole program. So don't do that. If you're going to jump in, get into the video training, go step by step right through the process until the end. It's also got an SEO Masterclass for videos. It's a very in-depth training program on how to get your videos to rank on the SEO. As you know, some guys, they land at the top 1 or 2 every single time. This is their tricks. This is how they do it. If you want to do that, that's great. I do mine more by placement, by sending them out to my email list and things like that. But there are times where you do want to be on the top of the list, and you have to do the tricks and the SEO tags and that type of thing, and this one teaches you how to do it. And then there's Thumbster. Thumbster is an online plugin that they have they've put it up through the cloud, and it allows people to generate their own thumbnails for their own videos. So basically, each video you do, you can have your own thumbnail, like you saw the thumbnail that you're looking at right now for my video for my YouTube. So that's how that works. The front end is coming in about 27. It starts at 27. It's going to click up, so you're going to want to get in right away. You're going to want to jump right in on the launch. It is going to start ticking up from there to $37, and then you've got the upsell one is $47. I like to tell you these, but we'll get into them here in just a second when I go through the review page. Basically, it's an unlimited searches on the SPYTube, 250 professional thumbnail packs. They've added a few other things in here, like 3,500 cutout images with no backgrounds, so you can make your own, and extra trainings and a case study. They throw that in with the upsell one so that you can see how this works and how it can work for you. Next one is Blogomatic. It's a WordPress plugin, well worth $47 if you're into WordPress and you understand it. If you don't, just roll on. Rank 24 hours. Discover the secrets as the kings of video used to rank any video to the top. Now this is a added bonus to their SEO training, so that's good too. Then Upsell 4 is the one. It's a $297, but it's done for you. They'll do all the work for you. A lot of people now are getting into I'll spend a little bit more money. I've got a little more coming in, or my expenses have went down because of the situation. I'm not going out, eating out, doing anything outside of the house. So they've saved some money. They've got some money, and they throw a $297 in here with done for you to help you jump in and just start making money with it as quick as you possibly can in your style. So some of the key benefits. First one is you capture links with millions of views, spending pennies on the dollar. So instead of having to set them all up, you get already used stuff that's out there that's just dead, that they don't use anymore. Good names, good links. A lot of people had some pretty clean names that they've just got out, or they've moved on to other things and they don't use that one anymore, and they put all their stuff on something else. No more investing fortunes on paid traffic. This is a traffic generation. No need to generate a list. Now, I don't know if I agree with that statement. There's always a need to generate a list. You always need a list. The money's in the list. You need to grow your list. So I don't know if I agree with that particular statement, but we'll just read it and go on. And the only thing you need is about 30 minutes a day. That's up to you. People say that. These are sales speeches right here. I don't do that kind of stuff. I'm going to tell you the truth. If you buy into this and you don't want to get on camera, you can do it. You can get the Done For You Solution 297. Buy it through my link. I'm happy to let you do that, and you won't have to worry about it. If you don't want to create a website, that's up to you. Get the 297 Done For You and go through there. You know, if that's what you're going to do, go for the 297. Just put the $300 down and get the system ready to go for you. And that way you don't have to worry about all this stuff. But you're going to eventually, if you want to make money long-term online, and lots of money, I mean, you want to scale up, you're going to need to learn to set up a web page. You're going to need to learn to put your face on the camera. You're going to need to be able to talk to people. You're going to need to be able to think outside the box a little bit on creativity and that kind of thing. So without further ado, let's move on to my bonus page. And there it is. Wow, that was pretty cool right there. I just zapped that. That was awesome. Hey, first time I've ever tried that trick and it worked. So I like that. Okay, so let's go to the Octopus review. Now in here, you can click up here. You can get started on any of these green links right here. They'll take you through to the sales page. Just click on the sales page, links to buy, and go through. And again, I mean, get the front end. The front end is worth the $27. And then if you're seriously wanting to get some money coming in, go and get the 297, the Done For You. Go ahead and do that. Just right there off of that link, just get the upgrade, upsell 4. Just click on the no thanks on all the other ones. When you get to the Done For You, go ahead and get that one. I'm highly recommending that one. That's probably the best one, unless you really want to do it yourself, and that's okay. Then I recommend you get the front end and the first upsell, because all the unlimited and the extra stuff only helps you, and it's not that expensive to do to get going. So go for that. And that, my friend, looks like it. So hit any one of these green boxes right here. It'll take you through to the sales page. Sales page is going to be real basic right now. We're going to see it. It's going to be real basic because the launch takes effect in the morning, and you're going to want to be there. You're going to want to jump in. It's you get a little bonus off there. I just showed you a trick, and starts out at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, and that's tomorrow morning. So get involved. Again, this is Joe Mack. Thanks for hanging out with me on my review. And again, click on the links below. I've got a couple there for different things that'll help you in the business. And thanks a lot. Have a great night.